Vorsteiner has released its carbon aero program for the Tesla Model S Plaid, and just like its other works, the body kits add subtle aggression, a tasteful take on dressing up the performance EV. The California-based aftermarket tuner offers a package of carbon fiber body kits with a naked, glossy finish. The parts include bumper flares, front spoiler, hood, fenders, side skirts, decklid spoiler, and rear diffuser. Apart from being made from lightweight composite material, these elements add aerodynamic enhancement, though the company failed to mention the extent of their effects. What we can see, however, is that the kits look sleek and stylish on the electric sedan. Unlike Unplugged Performance's Dark Knight carbon fiber wide-body kit, Vorsteiner keeps the Model S Plaid's original width with its carbon aero program. The tuning firm, however, is also offering a plethora of forged wheel choices in various sizes and types, including ones that mimic iconic wheel designs. The wheel options vary in price, with some, like the Carbon Wheel series, selling for nearly $20,000 per set. Speaking of prices, Vorsteiner didn't disclose the package pricing for its Model S Plaid Carbon Aero program, but its official website has listed the figure for each part. The priciest is the carbon fiber hood, which retails for $4,695, while the massive rear diffuser has a price tag of $3,695. Founded by the same man behind Gunther Works, Vorsteiner prides itself on using carbon fiber parts produced using an aerospace autoclave system for added rigidity. The company also uses a pre-impregnated, vacuum-formed fiber material, which is said to be up to 30% stiffer than wet layup carbon fiber. That said, those who would like to purchase Vorsteiner's Carbon Aero program will need to wait for 6 to 8 weeks for a final product. But seeing how well the company transforms cars, like the BMW M2 with similar aero kits, we think it's worth the wait.